All right, so let's open up IntelliJ, and inside here, what we're going to do is have a method that will get us all the students. So here, let's say export and then const and then get all students. And this will be equal to an arrow function. And if I put this full screen, just like that. And what we're going to do is say fetch. And inside of the fetch, we're going to say the following. We're going to say the URL, so local, and then host 8080/API/v1, and then students. And you can see that the Ultimate Edition gives us auto completion, which is really nice. Then what I want to do is I want to say dot, and then. And remember, so in here, we have this method right here. So then, so we want to check the status. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab just this, Command C, and then in here, if I go back, I'm going to have a method here, and I'm going to say const, and then check, and then status equals to, we'll receive the response. So res, and in here, so this will be an arrow function, and I'm going to paste that in, and actually let's just say that this is response, so we don't have to change anything. So response, just like that. So basically, if the response equals to, or actually if the response dot okay, right? So if we get status code of 200, means okay, we return the response. Otherwise, we basically reject with an error. And then we return in here the response as the error and then a promise. And now what I can do is say in here then, and then check, and then status. And if I end this with semicolon, and we are good to go. And finally, let me just press Option Command and an L to indent things. And you can see that it has formatted this line right here. So now that we have this implementation, next let's go ahead and import that within the app.js and see whether we can make a network call to our backend.